Right, today I'm going to tidy up Lillian's toys. Okay, let's start with the city. They've got nice little set places, and I've done this 100 times. Oh, yeah. Let's have a look. Oh. No, okay, there we go. Lovely. Okay, let's put the oven there. I like to go for setting. Oh, I tell you what, I need to check this out after. I'll put some water in there. Get the toilet ready. There we go. Okay. Oh, yeah. I like to put Nan in this seat here. And I like to give her a book as well. Here we go, there's the book. There we go. Nan likes to have a little read, doesn't she? Yeah. Oh, there we go. Mum can do the cooking today. Yeah, that sounds good, doesn't it? We all like our mum's cooking. Dad can go on the Danny. Right, now what we're gonna do. Oh, let me sort this quickly. Sort this out. Yeah, Dad on the Dunny. Right, let me set up these parasols. I think this is a nice distance. Do I like it? Up there? Yeah, let's put Grandad here fishing. Oh, sit up straight, Grandad. Lovely, lovely. There we go. Oh, let's move them a bit closer so they're in shot for you. Right. Let's get this camera out. There we go. Looks fit. There we go. So look, he's taking pictures of Grandad while he's fishing. There we go. That's good. Let's put Bingo down here, and there is a little spade somewhere. Well, there we go. There we go, Bingo. You make the sandcastles. Oh, I love this bird. Now what are we gonna do? Oh, Uncle Rad on the motorbike. Yeah, Uncle Rad's cool. Should we do it so he's racing like his dad, I think? Yeah, that works nice. And then, because of the episode where, the Christmas episode, I'm going to put, I think, yeah, I'm going to put Muffin and Socks up on the top here, yeah, because they're going to play in the pool. And then, yeah, Stripe I'm going to get him to make the barbecue. Oh yeah, okay. We'll put Stripe making the barbecue now. That makes sense to do it that way. Since he's the best chef. Well, that's if you ask Nan. And last but not least, let's get Bluey in her mermaid tail and let's put her in the pool. And then shall we fill it with water for a change? Normally I don't bother because they tip it everywhere, but let's see today. Let's fill it up. So yeah, let's fill it. Lovely. Let's see how it goes. So that's my Bluey's Beach House all set up, ready for Lillian to play with. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Yeah, I'll upload a video soon of us doing some play with this.